Less than 1 month into 2026, and Investabrick's 2025 Best Buys are already proving why readers who follow our recommendations stay ahead of the LEGO investment market. We highlighted sets throughout 2025 as top investment opportunities. Today, we're taking our first real look at how those picks are performing now that retirement has begun. And the early results are striking. 14 of those 20 sets, 70%, are already showing gains of over 10% on U.S. secondary markets like Amazon and eBay. Even more impressive, 6 sets are already delivering returns of 40% or higher in just weeks. Across the full basket, the portfolio is up over 20% in under 30 days. Now, we're not perfect. 6 sets are still flat or showing modest gains. But that's exactly what makes this breakdown valuable, because LEGO investing isn't about guessing. It's about understanding why some sets explode immediately while others need time. So today we're breaking down what's working, what's still developing, and what these early results teach us about smart LEGO investing in 2026 and beyond. Let's start with the headline numbers. Out of 20 Investabrick 2025 Best Buys, 14 are already selling at premiums exceeding 10%, 6 are commanding 40% premiums. The winners span Star Wars, Harry Potter, Castle, Icon, Super Mario, Marvel, and Disney. That's not luck, that's diversification and strategic selection. The 6 slower sets share one thing in common: extended retail availability into January 2026. As long as a set remains available near RRP, secondary market premium simply cannot establish. That doesn't make them bad picks, it makes them early stage. But first, let's look at the immediate winners. The immediate winners' top 5 performers. These are the 5 sets already delivering the strongest post-retirement results. Number 5, LEGO 1-3-12 Jazz Club. RRP $230, selling at $340 plus 48%. The Jazz Club rounds out the top 5 with a 48% premium. This set reinforces something we've said for years. The Modular Buildings collection remains one of LEGO's most reliable investment categories. Jazz Club benefits from a distinctive Art Deco aesthetic, a richly detailed interior, and its place within a long-running, collector-driven line. Modulars aren't impulse buys, they're commitment sets. That dynamic pushes demand the moment retail stock disappears. Number 4, LEGO 1-2-3-2-5 Alpine Lodge. RRP $100, selling at $150 plus 50%. Matching the castle with a 50% premium, Alpine Lodge shows how powerful seasonal LEGO can be. This Winter Village set combines holiday theming, modular compatibility, Icon's level build experience, and an accessible $100 price point. That price made it easy for collectors and investors alike to buy multiples. Holiday LEGO behaves differently from standard sets. It becomes part of an annual tradition, and once retired, demand doesn't fade. It resurfaces every winter. That recurring emotional pull is what drives sustained premiums. Number 3, LEGO 1-2-3-0-5 Lion Knights Castle. RRP $400, selling at $600, 50%. The medieval flagship delivers a 50% premium and proves the power of pent-up nostalgia. For years, Castle fans waited for a true modern revival. This was the first full-scale Castle flagship in over a decade. At $400, it targeted adult collectors directly, fans who grew up with 1980s and 90s Castle themes and were ready to pay for a definitive return. What we're seeing here is latent demand. The moment supply vanished. That stored-up desire translated into real money. Number 2, LEGO 71436 King Boo's Haunted Mansion. RRP $75, selling at $115, 53%. The smallest set in the top 20 delivers the second highest percentage return at 53%. King Boo's Mansion benefited from 3 powerful forces: Super Mario's massive fan base, Halloween collectability, and an accessible $75 price point. That affordability allowed buyers to pick up multiple units easily. Licensed Nintendo content already carries premium demand. Combine that with seasonal appeal, and you get immediate post-retirement pressure. Small sets with strong IP can outperform massive flagships on a percentage basis, and this is a perfect example. Number 1 LEGO 21344 Orient Express, RRP $300, selling at $500, 66%. The flagship Icons train leads the entire 2025 portfolio with a staggering 66% premium. Orient Express combines a $300 premium price point, intricate, adult-focused build quality, train collector appeal, and deep historical nostalgia. High-end display sets with broad collector interest can appreciate fastest once retail stock disappears because the buyer pool is already primed. Orient Express is the blueprint for how premium LEGO performs when scarcity meets desire. Solid performers 21% to 45% premiums. Beyond the top 5, 8 more sets are already delivering strong appreciation in the 21 to 45% range. These aren't explosive outliers, they're dependable performers. LEGO 76261 Spider-Man's Final Battle, RRP $110, selling at $160, plus 45%. Marvel doesn't always move fast, but Spider-Man remains the exception. Iconic character, cinematic moment, and a display-friendly footprint push this into immediate post-retirement demand. LEGO 75304 Darth Vader's Helmet, RRP $80, selling at $115, 44%. An accessible Star Wars entry at $80, powered by the most recognizable villain in pop culture. Compact display sets with legendary characters are a proven formula. LEGO 75978 Diagon Alley, RRP $450, selling at $625, plus 39%. With 5,544 pieces in one of the most iconic locations in the Harry Potter universe, scarcity hit hard despite the premium price point. LEGO 76391 Hogwarts Icons, RRP $300, selling at $410, 37%. LEGO 43242 Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs Cottage, RRP $220, selling at $290, 32%. LEGO 43222 Disney Castle, RRP $400, selling at $520, plus 30%. LEGO 76178 Daily Bugle, RRP $350, selling at $450, plus 29%. LEGO 75355 X-Wing Starfighter, RRP $240, selling at $290, plus 21%. These 9 sets represent reliable performers across ideas, Disney, Harry Potter, Marvel, and Star Wars. The lesson here is simple. You don't need every pick to be a moonshot. A portfolio built around consistent, above-market performers compounds just as powerfully over time. 6 sets remain flat or show single-digit gains. LEGO 1297 Boutique Hotel, RRP $230, selling at $205, minus 11%. LEGO 21335 Motorized Lighthouse, RRP $300, selling at $300. LEGO 76423 Hogwarts Express with Hogsmeade Station, RRP $130, selling at $130, 0%. LEGO 75357 Ghost and Phantom, RRP $150, selling at $160. LEGO 75354 Coruscant Guard Gunship, RRP $140, selling at $150, plus 7%. The common thread? Extended retail availability. Several of these sets remain purchasable at or near RRP through late December and into January 2026. As long as buyers can still find stock close to retail, secondary market premiums simply can't establish. These are not failures. They are early-stage investments. 2 are icons, 1 is ideas, 1 Harry Potter, and 2 Star Wars, strong themes with proven performance. As 2026 progresses and genuine scarcity develops, these are the sets most likely to begin moving. This is where patience separates investors from flippers. What this means for Investabrick readers: the early performance of the 2025 Best Buys validates several core principles. Early identification matters. Investabrick readers had months of advance warning to secure these sets at retail pricing. Casual buyers who wait until retirement announcements miss the optimal entry point and face inflated secondary market prices. Diversification works. The winners span Star Wars, Harry Potter, Disney, Castle, Icons, Ideas, Marvel, and Super Mario, across price points from $75 to $450. Strategic selection across themes and budgets delivers portfolio-wide returns. And here's the most important part. All of this guidance is completely free. Investabrick readers gained over 20% across the full basket in under 30 days on resale markets without paying a penny for the recommendations. That's the Investabrick advantage. Professional-grade LEGO investment analysis accessible to everyone. As these 2025 picks continue to mature, we'll soon release our 2026 Best Buys, identifying the next generation of high-potential LEGO investments. We'll be breaking down which of these and which 2026 retirements present the strongest investment opportunities. 14 of 20 Best Buys already command premiums. 6 are delivering 40+% returns. The remaining 6 simply need time for retail stock to clear. For readers who followed our 2025 recommendations, you're sitting on meaningful paper gains with the flexibility to hold long-term or take profits. For those who missed out, the message is clear. Advanced intelligence wins. Follow Investabrick throughout 2026 for best buys, retirement alerts, and market analysis that keeps you ahead of the curve, completely free. If you can like and subscribe and ring the bell, that would be very much appreciated from everyone here at Investabrick. Take care and see you soon.